Hey guys, it's Fish Fry Friday. Come along with me and let me show you how I make cod in my air fryer. Alright guys, we at the Friday night fish fry and I have my cod fillets right here. This is 2 pounds worth. You can't see it real good, but it's in this plastic. I'm going to go ahead and get it cut up like I want it, and then I'm going to show you how I batter it up. I am back, and in here I have 3/4 of a cup of Andy's fish breading. There you go. It's the red kind. I got this at Kroger's. So it's 3/4 cup in there, plus 2 heaping teaspoons of Old Bay. And then I put 2 shakes of Cajun seasoning in there. Just 2 shakes from the little container that it came in. And you don't have to put the Cajun in, but the Andy's and the Old Bay is going to be good to go. And right here you see I have the fish. So, you know, a fish is like slim at one end, bigger in another. It's different size. So the thicker pieces I cut up and put them all together. I'm going to cook those together. And then the slender pieces, like towards the tail or whatever, that's more slim, the slimmer cuts, I'm going to bread them and put them all together while I cook them so they can come out the same doneness. I'm just going to open the bag up. I'm going to go ahead and put the fatter pieces in. I'm going to do those first. So you just put them in and shake them up. I didn't put any egg wash. Of course, I don't eat eggs, so I didn't do any egg wash or anything. I just rinsed my fish off real good, cut it up. I dried it a little bit too, and then just shook it in the bag. So there you go. That's the breaded pieces. And let me show you. My air fryer is right there, so I'm just putting it in the air fryer. I'm going to continue until I have my air fryer. I know I can zip this up and do it, but I just don't feel like zipping and unzipping this bag. I'm going to go ahead and do it 2 pieces at a time. Save more time because my folks is hungry. And I'm putting them over in the air fryer. So I'm putting more in. Go ahead and try to do like 3 or 4 pieces at one time. This is a quart size bag. You can use any size bag you want. Shaking it up, putting it in the bag. Alright you guys, I didn't show this, but spray the inside of your air fryer. This is Saute Expert. You can use any non-stick spray that you want. This is extra virgin olive oil, but you want to spray the bottom of the inside of your air fryer. And then you also want to kind of spritz the fish a little bit with the olive oil. That way it's not all cakey, you know, the batter's not all cakey on there. Spritz it a little bit. Alright, that way it's gonna go ahead and crisp up good. Alright, you're going to go ahead and you're going to turn it on, and it's already preset to 370. We're going to put it at 20 minutes. I'm going to check it halfway through too, but put it to 20 and it automatically starts. So I'll let you see in a second. Also over here I have some vegetable oil heating up for some French fries. So we're having fish and fries. This is Friday, so it's Fish Fry Friday. I also have some green beans too. I just made a 4-liter jug of Kool-Aid mixed with, it's tropical punch mixed with orange. So that is a good mix, you all. I got the French fries going. I have 2 aluminum pans waiting right here, paper toweled up, one for the French fries and one for the fish. Okay, it's 6 minutes left, and I'm going to check it. I meant to check it at 10, but okay, it's looking good, y'all, looking good. I'm going to spritz it a little bit now. Ooh, sorry for the shaky camera. Spritz it a little bit more now. With the olive oil. Put it back in for the remainder of the time. See, it just picks up where it leaves off. 2 batches of golden fries are done and they are crunchy. Got one more batch to go and the fish is up. All right, you guys, the fish is up. Look how good it looks. After I got down to 6 minutes left, I just put 10 minutes more on. So that was a total of like 26 minutes in the fryer. So you just have to check it. But between 26, 28 minutes or so, it was ready. This is the thicker cuts. So for the thinner cut, I'm going to use less time. Here's the thinner cuts. Since the thicker cuts took a little longer, it took like 26, 28 minutes, I'm going to put this in for 20. Oops. And we're going to try that. Alright, I'm about to serve up dinner because the big pieces are ready, and the fries and the green beans. So I'll show you what it tastes like. Alright guys, and here is the fish. And I got one piece with ketchup and mustard on it like I like. So I'm going to taste both pieces. Very good. Very good. I get some french fries up here too. When somebody asks, Tracy, can you please taste it after you make it? Like when you do a recipe, show us how you enjoying it afterwards. So I wanted to do that. Good. The Andes red has a little bit of kick to it. So if you don't like a little spice or kick, like I don't, but the fish is good. It's very good. But if you don't like a hint of spice or a little hotness, get the regular Andes. But this just has a little kick. It's not bad at all. It's still real good. Alright guys, so everything turned out good. And I hope you liked it. I will see you guys here next time on Tracie's Place. Bye.